Welcome to another episode of my new Win Talk. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the new features I bring in to go.nvim plugin. First thing is non-as integration. As some of you already know, non-as is very popular Neowin as LSP server. I already use it for format my Go code, also run Go and CL lints, stuff like this. Very helpful. Go away. I recently add two integration to this. First, non-as source is called go test. It's allow you to use go test as a diagnostic tool to your test code. Another source is go test action. That is a code action which allow you to run a specific test. Let's go back to the code. So this is the source code I would like to test. There's two functions: ABS add A and B in the ABS value and return the result. Also str add return A and B in the string format, separate with space. So I go to my test file, go lt. In case you do not know, let's open the test file. So here is the test file. Go test. Oops. As the text is running in background, it's kind of slow, but yeah, once it's loaded, it's okay. Maybe I need to improve the performance or improve my CPU, but either way, you can see that here you got hint failed. What's that? Because it's a LSP diagnostic, so you can use your key binding for LSP. So currently I have SGL to show the diagnostic info, and also I can go next. Okay, so that's the only failure. So maybe I also do some modifications. Say second test, I want add an escalation mark and save the file. Give it a few seconds. Oh, it's slow. Come on. I do have multiple tests in this folder, so and then yes, you can see that I got another failure. So what's this happening? I say go test one hello world escalation mark, but you got no escalation mark. Also, you can use copen as the test had already been run. It's been also recorded in quick fix. It's here. Let's do CLC. Oh, come on. Let's put it back and save. Give it a second. It will. 1, 2, 3. Okay. More than 2 seconds. Okay, it's gone. So that's as for diagnostic. Maybe you can configure it, say only run in after file save, or maybe give it better debounce time. But also another thing is the codeaction. So you can put your cursor inside of test function and do go test func. That's where test this function. Also, right now as I put add code action to the get it registered to non-IIS, so you can use your keybind for your code action. I have CA. Let's bring us the code action UI menu. So right now, so those are for from maybe go please. This number 11 is go test. Run test string add. Type 11. That's bring me to the item and press enter. So it's run the test and say, oh, it's succeed. Okay, looks nice. That's for GoAS integration. Another thing I want to talk about is the new command I add. It's called go test sub cases. Here, go test sub cases. What it does? So currently the table-driven unit test is very popular. Say here I got unit test name at positive integers and the argument, and I want 3. Oh, sorry for the rain. It's raining heavily outside, but and currently yes, you see I got a failure. Obviously, this one is failed. So to prove it, I can rerun the test file, or maybe I run go test sub cases. Okay, you will see that I am running at positive and negative floats. It's failed. Also, the quick fix show what the failure is. We got 3.8, but we want 1000. It's not correct. So this so this command allow you just run this specific unit test cases. You have to put your cursor on the test name you want to run. That's pretty much it. Also, you can debug that specific test. Say I put a breakpoint here and put my cursor back and you go debug T means debug test. Press enter. Oh, maybe I need to close this first. CCLOSE close. And you can see it stopped. And what's the test name? Maybe it's P. The test name is add positive and negative flows. That's the test I want to run. So it will only run that specific subtest. Very helpful. Let's stop the debug. Stop. Why I'm doing this? Because this is kind of looks simple, but I have to handle a lot of like legacy code base. So that's the 2 table-driven unit test cases. Each one is about 100 lines of different mock and struct values. So in that case, it's very hard for you to know which test cases failed. And also, it's very hard for you to run specific tests. Normally, what I did is just comment this out and leave a specific test alone, and so that I can only run this test first. But that's it's not good. So with go test sub cases, you can just put your cursor and run the specific test. Very helpful. So that's pretty much I want to introduce in this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.